Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to do the basic and necessary optimization on Windows 10. Let's get started. I would like to start with driver installation. Install the drivers in this order: first chipset, second network, video and last audio. Let's fast forward this portion. Installing the right drivers for PC hardware will help you boost the performance of PC. I will post another video after this one, in which I will guide how you can download drivers for your PC from the official sources, i.e. manufacturers' websites. After installing drivers, I will also install these 2-3 apps provided by PC manufacturer. For the settings part, I will go through every option which I personally prefer changing from default. Let's start the settings portion. Change icon size to small and auto arrange. Whenever you delete something, it will prompt a confirmation dialog before deleting. Now go to Settings, System, under Display. Change night light settings. Change strength to 25 and schedule as per your requirement. Nothing to change in Sound tab. Edit and rearrange your quick action tools. You can also unpin and pin back action tools. Change as per your requirement. I will turn off all notifications. I don't use Focus Assist. Change power and sleep settings. 30 minutes, 30 minutes, never, and never. Edit additional power settings. Change plan settings. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Set both of these settings to never. You can change other settings as well, but I don't recommend more than this. Apply and exit. One step back. Change lid settings. On power button I choose turning off display. And on lid, do nothing. Change this as well. If you do use hibernate, enable it, otherwise it will be wastage of memory. Save changes, close window. Set when to turn on battery saver. I will use 30%. Go to Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. It will automatically delete your temporary files. Set time periods. You can manually clean by clicking here. You can set default location for downloads, other than C drive. I always use desktop mode. You can turn this off. Multitasking. Uncheck third option. Turn off suggestions in timeline. Nothing interesting here. Go back to devices. Bluetooth off. Under mouse, click on additional mouse options. Increase sensitivity. Apply and OK. Under touchpad, uncheck leave touchpad on when mouse is connected and rest of settings on default. Phone, you can link one. Networking and internet. Go to Wi-Fi, turn off this option. VPN off. Wi-Fi off. Do not change anything in proxy. Personalization. Colors. Choose custom. First one dark and second light. Choose any color as you like. Show accent color on taskbar. You can change these lock screen settings. Under themes, change desktop icon settings and check options of icons which you want on desktop. Customize start menu, uncheck show app list in start menu. Change folders to appear on start. Choose folders. You can see these are now visible on start. Under taskbar, enable this peek option. Turn on system icons. I like this one. You can turn on my people. This one is most interesting part of video. Here you can uninstall apps which you would probably be not using but are pre-installed in Windows 10. Uninstall them one by one and free up your space. You can keep Microsoft OneDrive. I don't use it, so I would uninstall. I would install Office offline later on. You can change default apps from here. Offline maps delete all. Automatic update off. Startup apps. Turning off unnecessary apps at startup will boost your startup speed. I will turn off Wondershare Studio. I deliberately skipped accounts, time, and language and ease of access section. There is nothing interested in these, you can do it by yourself. Let's go to gaming bar. I use NVIDIA GeForce instead. I would turn it off. Captures. Off. Uncheck. Uncheck. Game mode off. You can choose the second option. Off. 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 Speech off. Off. Make sure it is set to basic. Tailored experiences off. Activity off. Clear. Location settings depends on you. I am more sensible to location and camera settings. You can see pic of my camera here. Voice activation, I will keep it on, regardlessly I had blocked microphone. Notifications off. Account access to no one. Calendar, call history, email, tasks, radios, other devices, all of them off. Choose which of these to allow background access. I will turn off all except Cortana and security. Now, check for updates. It is better to keep your system up to date. Change advanced settings. Turn on notification for restart after update. Now, delivery optimization, I prefer turning off this option. Advanced options, adjust the bandwidth of your network connection to be used for Windows Update in background and foreground. I sometimes use 5% and sometimes 100% cause we are still on 2G here. That's it for the settings part. Here are other 2-3 things you can do after this. You can set up a wallpaper. Uninstall these apps from Start menu. To free up some more space, go to Local Disk C. User, your username. Enable hidden items. App data. Local. Temp. Delete all these files periodically. You are free to install other softwares now as I did. That's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to get further updates. God bless you all. Bye.